What's up, guys? Well, we're going to be in Prague, Oklahoma today with the Assistant Police Chief, Jeffrey Louise Frisbee, and his wife, who have been, let's just say they should have been in prison a long time ago. They have some foster children, and we're going to see what's going on with that. Also, I would like to note, 90% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button, and we'll move along. So, Prague Assistant Police Chief, and we're going to go to as far as the news will take us today. This was from, I don't know, several months ago.
Prague Assistant Police Chief Jeffrey Frisbee and his wife were just arrested after young victims came forward saying they were sexually and physically abused. The three victims, girls ages 15 down to 8, were placed in the Frisbee home years ago. They allege that the Frisbee man touched their private parts several times and that he would make them touch him inappropriately too. Frisbee's wife, Kim, also taken into custody. The victim said that she would slap them in the face, back, neck, pull their hair. When police went to interview a different child who had been in his care several years ago, new allegations emerged of rape. She told officers she has no idea how many times she was raped because it happened too many times. Formal charges against the Frisbees have not yet been filed.
Well, so let's go to, I don't know, a few months ago.
Anything you'd like to say at all regarding this case?
An assistant police chief and his wife arrested, charged with abusing foster children sexually and physically. And that is where we begin tonight at 6. The couple not speaking to us while leaving the courthouse today in Lincoln County.
The court documents reveal disturbing details about what happened to the children involved. Jeffrey Frisbee, who's also the assistant police chief in Prague, facing 24 criminal charges. His wife, Kimberly, was charged as well. News 4's Amaya Ward is in Lincoln County tonight.
Investigators say this involves 3 foster children between the ages of 4 and 10.
4 and 10, let that sink in. And it wasn't bad enough that they were taking from any resemblance of a home that they thought they knew. They thought they were going somewhere where they would be protected, and guess what? More degenerates. It's ridiculous. There's only one cure for people like this that would do that to a child. I'm not going to say it, but I'm guessing that you know it.
The district attorney's office calling this case disturbing and appalling. Anything you'd like to say at all regarding this case? Jeffrey and Kimberly Frisbee leaving the Lincoln County Courthouse Thursday. Jeffrey Frisbee, the assistant police chief in Prague, is being charged with 22 lewd acts with a child and 2 counts of rape. His wife, Kimberly, charged with 17 counts of child abuse. According to court documents, 3 children were placed in the care of the Frisbees as foster children. After conducting several interviews with the children, they all told investigators that Jeffrey had inappropriately touched them. Additionally, a former foster child of the Frisbees was also interviewed and told police that Jeffrey had raped her while she lived in their home. The foster children also told investigators that Kimberly Frisbee would punish the children by making them stand facing a wall for long periods, hitting them and pulling their hair. The Department of Human Services telling News 4 in a statement saying in part, "The children who were placed in this home have been removed and are receiving appropriate services to support them in this difficult time." Documents also reveal that Kimberly Frisbee allegedly kicked and strangled foster children in the past. The district attorney says he plans to make sure justice is served, saying in a statement, "At this time, our investigation is still ongoing as we determine who, if any, knew or should have known about the alleged abuse of the foster children."
How would other people not know? A friend of mine fostered children many, many years ago, and they would come in and they would check the house, they would check the paint on the wall, they would check, make sure there was covers on the bed, clothes, food in the refrigerator, make sure the bathroom was clean, check the children, the whole 9 yards. Because this was as an assistant police chief, did they not go through all that? I'm just wondering.
In their care. In Lincoln County, Amaya Ward, Oklahoma's News 4.
And the Frisbees are due back in court in November. We reached out to the Prague Police Department for comment, but did not hear back.
Shocker, it is not. Here's where we are with the latest.
Did you sexually abuse those children?
Hey, there's no comments right now. Thank you so much for your time.
Jeffrey Frisbee and his wife Kimberly here walking out of the Lincoln County Courthouse after their first appearance in court. Jeffrey, who is the Assistant Chief of Police in Prague, has 24 felony charges. Many of them are lewd or indecent acts to a child under 16. Some of them first-degree rape or rape by instrumentation. And his wife Kimberly has 17 counts of child abuse. Their family fostered children for years until several came forward saying they were raped and touched by Jeffrey and physically abused by Kimberly. Prague's police chief, mayor, and city manager all declined to talk, adding that Frisbee is on administrative leave pending the outcome of the court proceedings. Now, DHS sent us this statement here saying they're jointly investigating this and that they're fully cooperating.
What they're saying is, while this is an ongoing investigation and state and federal confidentiality laws prevent us from discussing the specifics of this case, we must reassure the public that we are fully cooperating and jointly investigating with law enforcement to understand the facts of this case. Additionally, the children who were placed in this home have been removed and are receiving appropriate services to support them in this difficult time.
With any investigation going on. Jeffrey and Kimberly Frisbee are both expected in court again in November. In Lincoln County, Dakota Wapakichi, KOCO 5 News.
Yes, and they said they had something in January. I could find nothing of that. Here's the only thing I have found. This says September 5th, 2025, but you'll notice it's from November 26, 2024. Hearings continued for Frisbees. Preliminary hearings have been continued for the Assistant Police Chief of Prague and his wife, who are facing a total of 41 felony charges, between them relating to, I'll point it out, I'm not going to say it, right there. The charges were formally filed against Jeffrey Louis Frisbee, 55, longtime Prague police officer, and his wife Kimberly Ann Frisbee, 50, in Lincoln County District Court on September 5th, 2024. The couple was arrested by officers on September 5th and transported to the Lincoln County Jail in Channel, where they immediately posted bonds of $100,000 each. They made their initial appearance before Special Judge Emily Mueller on September 26th. She scheduled their preliminary hearings for 1:30 p.m. on November 21st. On that date, she continued the hearings for each of them until 9 a.m. on January 23rd, 2025. Again, I can't find anything on that, so if you can find it, put it in the comments. Specifically, Jeff Frisbee is accused of 16 charges of lewd or indecent acts to children under 16, 6 counts of, right there, 2 counts of. Kimberly Frisbee is accused of 17 counts of child abuse. Prague city officials have confirmed that Frisbee is currently on administrative leave. My guess is going to be that's on paid administrative leave because he is under investigation and he is innocent until proven guilty. I'm betting that's paid administrative leave. Tony Foreman, district attorney's investigator for the 23rd District, writes an improbable cause for arrest warrant. He was assigned to investigate allegations of, right here, by Jeffrey Louis Frisbee on 3 young girls ages 8 to 10. According to the affidavits in this case, authorities conducted forensic interviews with the girls who described the allegations contained in the affidavits. Forensic interviews is, we can go look it up. Let's just say it's up close and personal. The girls told authorities that the alleged and physical abuse that reportedly took place while they resided in Frisbee's home. Told them about it. According to the charges, Jeff Frisbee is on or between, according to the charges, Jeff Frisbee is on or between the time frames of December 13th, 2018 and August 3rd, 2024, and between December 13th, 2023 and August 3rd, 2024, accused of 16 counts of this right here. Under 16, who were between 3 and 8 years old at the time. 3 and 8 years old at the time. See, they're telling you ages now. No, they were 3 and 8 at the time. During the same time frame, she is accused of 4 counts of, right here. And between the time period of June 13th, 2023 and June 12th, 2024, 2 counts of, between December 12th, 2017 and December 11th, 2019, Frisbee is accused of committing 2, right there. In the 17 counts filed against Kimberly Frisbee, she is accused during the time frames of June 13th, 2023 to June 12th, 2024, June 13th, 2018 to June 12th, 2024, December 13th, 2023 to August 3rd, 2024, and December 13th, 2018 to August 3rd, 2024 of committing her foster children right there. Among the allegations she is charged with, including pulling their hair, slapping or punching them in the face, punching them, causing bruising to their back, punching their arms, kicking their legs, punching them in the stomach with a closed fist, applying pressure to the throat, and strangling her 4-year-old. Her 4-year-old. Is that her that she has given birth to, 4-year-old? Or the 4-year-old child that they were taking care of? I'm not understanding. It says her 4-year-old child. So that's leading me to believe that if it was her 4-year-old child, they weren't in DHS custody. District Attorney Adam Pantner issued a statement following their arrest in early September after swift and aggressive investigation conducted by investigators with the District 23 District Attorney's Office. The City of Prague Assistant Chief of Police Jeff Frisby and his wife Kim Frisby were arrested for numerous charges of and physical abuse. The fact that one of the arrested was a member of law enforcement in a position of trust within the community is both disappointing and appalling. Yes, I'm still wondering about this 4-year-old, if that was a foster one or not. Anyway, don't know. But, yeah. Wonder why they didn't want to put her picture up there. There she is right there. That's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 82% of people, 90%, whatever it is, that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I am out.